This is amazing. It's got that optical illusion. So I'm turning it and it just makes it seem so strange. Like, look at this. In my hand, it just looks like, that's pretty awesome. I mean, what's even cooler is look at this. So here's the display. And I do want to point out that this will rotate on its own. So it uses light to rotate outside, inside. So as you can see, it's rotating very fast because we have it outside in the direct sunlight. It is really cool. I think it's pretty amazing, guys. I think you're gonna love this. This is perfect for our desktop. You could have this on for a conversation starter on your coffee table. You could have it by your nightstand. I've seen some people put LED lights around it as well. So you could like wrap colored lights or just white lights or warm lights around it and almost act as like a night light, which is really cool. You can get very creative with this. We'll be putting this at our desktop. This is cool.